I got this moss actually last year. It's been in my shed, but we are doing this very enchanted vintage, kind of like Alice in Wonderland tea party. I am totally trying to romanticize this spring. I cannot believe it is already April. Easter is next week, and everything has just gotten away from me. I feel like this year has gone by so fast, and I'm just super excited, especially since it's been snowing back and forth, so it really hasn't felt like spring has started already. But I am just totally going to be getting all the things done and excited for you guys to join me doing this because I really wanted to do more of a fun, creative side of my ADHD. And I know a lot of you guys do this stuff too, like with your crafts, depending, it doesn't always have to be spring, but just getting that creative outlet out and being able to like express myself and just have a really good time. And I hope you guys enjoy. So I have never used fake moss before. Just like, I don't know how to. Please, somebody in the comments, if you have used this before, how are you supposed? I actually thought this was real. It feels like real moss. So whoever made this, kudos to you, because I don't know. Do you see it? I see that. It says it's fake, but it definitely does not look fake to me. Like, is that moss preserved fake green? I think it's real moss. It says moss preserved. Oh, maybe they dyed it. I thought when I ordered it that it was. Maybe it's the fake green moss coat. I heard my trash cans being moved and I thought it was my husband. So I feel like I'm wasting a lot of this moss. I feel like I'm supposed to like stretch it out. You guys, if you guys want to tell me in the comments what I was supposed to do, if any of you have used it, this really, it smells like moss too. I hope my cats don't try to eat this. I have a feeling they're going to.
Down the rabbit hole we fly, chasing dreams beneath the sky. Teacups spin the world around, where the magic's never bound. Oh, Alice danced through springtime's glow, flowers bloom where you.
Okay, so I got that part done. Took a little longer than I was expecting, but I think that looks pretty good. Let me know what y'all think. Okay, so I had to go down to the basement and grab some of my spring decor up. I could not, you guys, it's like a 150 gallon tub storage bin type thing. And it's full of mostly glass. I need my husband to help me carry it up just because there is glass in it and I don't want to break any of my stuff. So I just went through and grabbed some of the things out, at least for this piece. I'll be doing the rest throughout the week. And as you see here, I was trying to decide. We all knew I wanted to do the teacups, but I was like, well, maybe. And yeah, no. But yeah, here we go. So as I switched over, you guys, I just wanted to show you the whole process of how I was coming up with the different ideas. I'm actually probably going to be putting the deep roots, and my Mother Nature is probably going to go in my fireplace is what I'm thinking, and do another piece like this. And I have these two really cute rabbits. They're made out of, I think they're like wicker or wood, whatever, but they're super cute. But anywho, so that is my grandmother's teapot, that one over there that doesn't have like, it's got the birds on it. That's her teapot. And these other ones we got at the Goodwill. We found these teacups for my daughter's birthday party. But I thought, yes. And then I put them on there and I was like, look, I really want this to look very enchanted. So this is when I start layering things on just to give it like more depth, more, you know what I mean? Like that hidden secret garden type mix of Alice, like a lost Alice in Wonderland is kind of what I was going for. Like the forgotten magic of our youth, the old Secret Garden book. I don't know if you guys ever read that when you were younger. Loved The Secret Garden. And then they made the movie and I thought that was good too, but I really, really liked the book. So I just wanted this very cottage, you know what I mean? Like the whole, I found an old tea set out in the garden. And I figured that when making this, that I wanted it to be like Mother Nature has taken over this tea set pretty much. And it was just growing and just becoming really pretty. And, you know, I'm hoping you guys cannot hear. Everybody is mowing their lawns. And this is like, geez, the last couple of days, it's just been so loud. I think one of my neighbors is doing an add-on or something to their house because I've heard construction like crazy. And it's been like, I need to do this because my mic was off the whole time I was filming and I was trying to talk so I didn't have to do a voiceover, but that's all right. I was able to speed it up because of that. So, okay. So here you go. You guys are seeing how I am trying to incorporate that a garden has grown over this tea set that was left out there. That is the whole story that I am going for. I find that when I decorate, if I'm trying to go for a theme, I'm trying to do that whole, like, what is my story, right? What am I trying to feel here with my decor? And that was like, this is just an old tea set that maybe Alice used in The White Rabbit and the Mad Hatter, and it was just left and nature grew over it. You know what I mean? So that is the vibe, and very cottagecore-esque, you know, I guess you'd say, very enchanted. And I just wanted it to be really, really magical and really cute. And just, you know, I like it.
The trees are whispering soft today, chasing rabbits in a dreamy ballet. Springtime's calling with a flowery song. Through the looking glass, we all belong. Dance with me in the garden of dreams. Twist and turn where reality gleams. Wonderland skies painted blue and green. This enchanted day feels like a serene. Alice skips down paths of gold, cups of tea where stories are told. Laughter spins like a carousel. In Wonderland's magic we dwell. Dance with me in the garden of dreams. Twist and turn
Okay, so anywho, I'm almost done. Not quite. I'm still doing some fine touches here and there. Let me know if you guys think this looks pretty cool, or like what are your total thoughts on this process. And if you guys like this type of videos of me doing more decor, I know you guys really liked my bar cart. I am going to be doing that too, my spring bar cart. It's almost too late to do the Eastery part, but I can reuse like some of the bunnies and stuff for, like I said, spring and stuff like that. But yeah, are you guys feeling this vibe? Do you guys think it looks okay? And for those of you guys that are asking, I got these butterfly like vine thingies, like little plants that came with all these really cute. I believe I did get these on Amazon. Actually, I did get these on Amazon. I was gonna say I got them on Temu, but I did not. I got those ones on Amazon, but those flowers I have right there that look like the real roses and the peonies and stuff, those are so pretty. I just did not put them away properly in my box. They came in another box. There was like 60 of them with stems. I got those on Temu for like $5, I believe, and they were like a local delivery too. So it only took it like 3 days to get here. Was pretty, and I didn't buy those this year. They were last year, but I do know that they still have them because they popped up again in my like Temu feed, just due to the fact that I had bought them before, and then it showed me different varieties of the flowers they had, and I was like, no, I have a whole box of those. But yeah, I mean, I thought it was okay, and I did hide some Easter eggs in there. I thought it would be kind of cute to put the eggs in there. I did add a pink, a green, a blue, and the yellow. I don't know. You guys think? I mean, I think it looks cute, right? Especially since Easter's coming. My son was kind of freaking out. He's like, the Easter is not up and the bunny is coming next week. And I was like, dang it. We have just been so busy that I was like losing track of time. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys for my next video. Thanks. Bye, guys.